You don't want to find yourself in a situation where you spent hours, even days, working on an assignment only to lose everything. This section will provide you guidance on saving your work and creating a backup system for yourself. It'll be important that your instructors and sometimes your peers are able to access your work. There are several common mistakes that students make when it comes to making their work accessible. This section will cover those mistakes and how to avoid them. One of the greatest tools at your dispense to improve your work is the feedback your instructor provides. Depending on the course, accessing this feedback can occur in a couple different ways. In this section, you will find 2 resources that walk you through the process of how to access instructor feedback. You will create many presentations throughout your time here at Ashford. As a result, it's important that you learn how to create effective and well-designed presentations. Furthermore, this is something you'll use beyond your coursework. In this section, you'll learn some of the do's and don'ts to creating a PowerPoint presentation, creating a linear versus a non-linear PowerPoint, visual and e-learning design principles, and a couple other presentation tools you might consider when creating a presentation. It's no secret that there's a wealth of information online. Never has it been easier to access information. All information online is not created equal, though. This section will introduce you to a couple resources to help you find information online that is more valid and reliable. You've probably heard of the term portfolio, but what about e-portfolio? This section will cover the basics of e-portfolios, offer some options to create one, as well as provide a few examples. You find information online that would be great to use in a presentation for one of your classes. You don't want to assume that just because you found it online and it's accessible to everyone, that you can use it however you want. Can you use the information? Most likely the answer is yes. There are just some general guidelines to make sure the information is properly used and cited. This section will cover these guidelines and show you how to properly cite commonly used web-based materials.